How to see how someone added you on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can know or how you can see how someone has added you on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Snapchat. After you open it up, you can just head over to your added page or added section. Here you should be able to see added friends and added me section right here. Now under added me section, you should see the list of people that have added you. So now here you should be able to see how someone has added you on Snapchat. So there are different options here. The first one is if there is an option that says added from added me section or find friends section, you can just know that they have added you from quick chat. There will be an option that says added from quick chat. So yeah, after you have added them, you will be able to see here that they have added you from quick chat. The other way that you can know how someone has added you is by just seeing here if there is an option that says by search. If that's the case, they have just searched for your username and then they have just added you. The other option is if they have not any options here that says that has not any mention of how they have added you, that also means that they have added you by your username or by your QR code. And that's how you can tell if someone has added you on Snapchat. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.